The Trump administration is asking the Supreme Court to strip temporary protected status from thousands of Syrians living in the United States, even as violence continues in parts of Syria. A recent article in Forbes explains that Solicitor General D. John Sauer filed an emergency appeal urging the court to end TPS for more than 6,000 Syrian nationals, citing past rulings that allowed the same move against Venezuelan migrants. Syrians were first granted TPS in 2012 as civil war devastated their country. The protection was extended multiple times because conditions never stabilized enough for safe return. Now, the administration argues that Syria no longer meets the criteria, claiming the fall of Bashar al-Assad and a new government mean that conditions have improved. But the reality on the ground tells a different story. Armed forces linked to Syria's new government killed an estimated 1,500 members of the Alawite minority last year, and clashes between Druze and Bedouin fighters continued in the south. This is the country the administration here insists is safe enough to send people back to. Now, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem already tried to end TPS for Syrians, and an appeals court blocked her 2 days before it took effect. Now, Sauer is claiming that, well, the court was wrong, and he's asking the Supreme Court to override that decision. For more than 6,000 Syrians with TPS and hundreds with pending applications, their ability to work, travel, and remain in the United States could disappear. Stripping TPS from people who fled a war zone and have lived here in some cases for over a decade is not immigration enforcement. It's cruelty disguised as policy.